Welcome to our YouTube channel 𝐷𝐵𝐴𝐚𝐥 We invite you to dive into a mysterious world where each riddle is a journey through a story that hides clues. The story begins here and now.
In a picturesque village, the inhabitants lived in harmony, sharing their joys and sorrows. One day news spread, a major economic opportunity was on the horizon. The villagers, filled with hope, began discussing the best way to prepare. Marie, the village sage, spoke up and said, "It is essential to set aside a portion of our future earnings. This will protect us from uncertain days." Pierre, an ambitious young man, countered, "But every coin spent here comes back to all of us. Stimulating the local economy is just as important." Luc then proposed, "What if we find a balance between saving and spending? This could maximize our benefits." Sophie, puzzled, asked, "Yes, but how do we know what proportion is best around a campfire?" The villagers shared stories of their ancestors, recalling times when saving had saved lives, and others when spending had revitalized the community. The children listened, fascinated by these tales that seemed both familiar and mysterious. Jean spoke up and observed, "Consumption and saving are like two sides of the same coin. One cannot exist without the other," Claire added. But the Keynesian multiplier effect shows us that spending can also create wealth. The discussions intensified, each seeking the perfect balance between saving and spending. The dialogues between Marie and Pierre became captivating scenes where words seemed to dance around deep concepts without ever naming them directly. Antoine reminded that the fundamental psychological law indicated that we must consume a part of our income, but wondered how much should be saved. Elise pointed out that aggregate demand depended on their choices. Each decision counting. One evening, the villagers gathered to discuss their plans. Opinions diverged, but all agreed on the importance of finding a middle ground. Marc asserted that saving was their safety net, without which they risked losing everything. Natalie replied that without spending, their local economy could not thrive. Days passed, and the great opportunity finally arrived. The villagers, having found a subtle balance between saving and spending, prospered. They realized that their success was based on a deep and implicit understanding of economic dynamics, even if the exact words remained unspoken. Paul declared that they had succeeded thanks to their balance between saving and spending. Julie added that every decision had a multiplicative impact. The villagers continued to discuss, always seeking to improve their understanding of economic concepts. The children, now adults, perpetuated these discussions, keeping the tradition of economic reflection alive. Henry concluded that the key was to understand that every action had a consequence, and that they had to be cautious and thoughtful. Louise agreed, emphasizing that this prudence had allowed them to prosper. Dear subscribers, the central economic concept that is the thread of this story is rooted in Keynesian theory. Do you think you can determine what this thread is? The number of words composing the answer is inclusively between 2 and 8.
Dear subscribers, do you have an idea of the answer? Leave your answers in the comments. Don't forget, the first to find the correct answer will win the reward at stake. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. As soon as a winner is crowned, we will publish a special video to celebrate their triumph and reveal the solution to the riddle. So, stay tuned to not miss anything. Don't forget to show your support by liking and commenting on our videos. Subscribe to be among the first to discover our new challenges, and most importantly, share our videos to help our community grow. We look forward to seeing you very soon for more captivating riddles.